on Kaggle, we learned reading CSV files. So how you read TXT files with space is used to separate columns. So what you do is you still use read CSV, but instead of, so you put another argument, you give another argument to read CSV, which is you say white space is used as a delimiter. So this, if you don't say anything, or the default is this is false, and when you say that, okay, I'm gonna show you what happens when you say false. I'll go variable explorer and I'll look at my data. You see that? You see that? So everything comes as one full row. And it assigns index automatically. So Python automatically assigns indexes. So if you make this true, so look at the size, 1000 by 4. You see